Last time on Survivor, Jasmine Island.
All right, you guys are now officially merged into one team. Oh! And Jasmine wins individual immunity. You can have individual immunity or an advantage in the game. Now, whatever you don't choose, Dee Dee will get for getting second place, so choose wisely. You want the advantage?
I'd like to play this for Brooke.
You playing it for Brooke? All right. This is a real hit community idol. Any votes for Brooke will not count. The fourth person voted out of Survivor is the next member of our jury, Thomas. Jasmine? Your advantage? Who are you choosing to bring back? Thomas? What a twist! Get your torch, Thomas.
11 kids. 8 challenges. 1 birthday party. Who will win the grand prize and become our sole survivor? This is Survivor, Jasmine Island.
Little secrets.
The reality was used. Someone used an advantage, brought Thomas back in.
You're so nice and smart.
And only some people know why.
I'm nice and smart too.
Only some people know why, though.
I saved a lot. I saved my best friends. Because my other best friends have Brooke. Hi.
That was such a plot twist.
I have enemies.
Wait, she saved someone.
I just. Whoa! No. Out.
You voted him.
I didn't know any other names.
I literally just told you my name.
I said that was too
They literally told me if I even.
Is it too hard to write too?
Do I gotta tell you everybody else's name?
Okay.
Apparently,
Kinsey.
What?
Gabby.
What?
Kayla. Brooke.
Brooke.
Maria.
Just RIA.
You voted her out, but she brought you back in.
That's fine.
It's fine.
That's
It's
fine.
fine. It's fine.
Guys, you have to hear me out. I was being kind too. You want to vote either of them out.
All right, we're gonna need 4 of you over here, 4 of you stand on this side. Dee Dee, you take immunity idol back. Individual immunity back up for grabs. The winner of this challenge will receive individual immunity and will not be able to be voted out the next tribal council. All right, in this challenge, each of you will put a popsicle stick in your mouth and you will place a dice on the end of it and balance that dice. Every so often, I'm going to tell you all to add another dice and stack it up. Last one to drop the dice wins individual immunity. Everybody ready? Go. All right, everybody add a second dice. So far, everybody's got it balanced. Kayla and Brooke look like they're slipping a little bit with some movement going on. Oh, Jasmine is out. Brooke is out. Everybody add a third dice. Kayla, Rhea, down to Thomas and Gabby, still left with 3 dice each. All right. Oh, Thomas is out. Gabby wins individual immunity. Cannot be voted out at the next tribal council. Let me put these ears on you.
Good job, Gabby.
Don't worry, the ears are clean. They're actually made of soap. All right, everybody, head back to camp. We'll see you at tribal council.
Alright, who won?
Gabby.
Oh, Gabby not getting voted out this round.
He almost won.
Some people come here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you're the next one.
This happened, believe me. Staring at me, I feel like you're.
Oh, I hit everybody else.
You only had me and Brett.
Why do you have to? Oh, I need torch.
Yeah,
Yeah. The 4th time.
Let me ask you guys, is anybody feeling safe, like you're not going to get voted out in this tribal council? Other than Gabby, who don't think it's going to be you this time? Think you're back in it, UDD? Alright. Does anybody feel like they're definitely getting voted out this time, or there's a good chance? Rhea? Kinsey feel like maybe her? Alright, let's get to voting. Dee Dee, you're up.
Because I feel like you have tons of friends in this game.
All right, guys, I'll tally the votes. All right, if anybody has a hidden immunity item and want to play it, now would be the time to do so. All right, I'll read the votes. First vote. Brooke. Second vote, Thomas or Tomes. Brooke, that's 2 votes Brooke. Thomas, that's 2 votes Brooke, 2 votes Thomas. Brooke, that's 3 votes Brooke, 2 votes Thomas. That's 4 votes Brooke. Our next person voted out, the next member of our tribe, or our next member of our jury. Brooke. I'm sorry, bring me your torch. I'm sorry, Brooke, but your tribe has spoken. I'm noticing that there's a big alliance. A lot of people voted for Brooke. A lot of people working together. Now you guys realize that when you get all the people that aren't in that alliance out, you're gonna have to start voting for each other. Yeah. Who's at the bottom of that alliance?
Think you won't tell everybody?
That's what I want to know.
No.
Who do you think it is? Who do you think, when it's only you guys left that have been working together, who's the first person you go after on your same team? It's going to be somebody.
I know who it is.
And whoever that somebody is might want to work with somebody else to stay in the game.
I know who it is, and I'm not in the alliance.
Well, surprise, this is a double elimination. You guys will all vote again right now and vote a second person out. Is everybody ready? Yeah. Dee Dee, you're up.
I would have voted yeah because she's not being very helpful.
Nobody likes a dirty liar.
All right, if anybody has a hidden immunity idol and want to play it, now would be the time to do so. No? I'll tell you the votes. First vote, Maria. Second vote, Jasmine. One vote Jasmine, one vote Rhea. Third vote, Maria. Loria. The next one voted out of the game, and the next member of our jury, Maria. Who's going to be your choice?
Played well, Maria.
I'm sorry, Maria, but your tribe has spoken.
Only backdoor Joe.
All right, guys. Before you head back to camp, I just want to remind you guys how this game is played. Each member that you guys have voted out is the member of a jury that gets to pick the winner of this game. Just so you know. Head back to camp.
Want to sit on my lap instead?
Next time on Survivor, Jasmine Island.
I think we're gonna do.
Because at this
not
point,
very good at challenge.
we're all the alliance.
And you're going to try to remember the 4 symbols I'm going to tell you. Okay? Everybody get it? All right. Everybody is showing sunglasses except for Gabby, who's showing a birthday cake.
Okay. I think I did good, but I got mixed up.
I think I did pretty good.